Hello, it's Mary here. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. If you've been watching me, thank you for coming back. Today we're gonna work on a very exciting project. So without any further ado, let's get started.
This is all the pattern pieces. The pattern is in the description. I cut the pattern and I cut also lining pieces like you see. The lining is the light blue. The main fabric is dark blue. Now I'm assembling the sleeves. The sleeves in the pattern come in two pieces, so I'm attaching the two parts of each sleeve together. Now I'm giving it a good press. Make sure you open the seams, this way it will not be bulky when you add the lining as well. I added interfacing to the collar pieces and now I assemble it together, and now I'm gonna give it a good press as well. Make sure you poke the edges of the collar like you see. Now attach the front interfacing with the back interfacing, as you can see, and now I'm gonna give it a good press as well, and we'll attach it to the lining as well. Now I'm working on the wall pockets. It's very simple and straightforward. You just have to put these two pieces in front of each other and open an opening after you sew them, and then when you open the opening you just leave 1 centimeter in either sides of these pockets, like you see. Now I'm attaching the collar to the jacket, and also I'm gonna attach the lining to the whole jacket, and I'm gonna leave my opening in the sleeves of the lining, and we should be done.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.